Rencananya mau ke berapa? Naik ke berapa?
Kan timur ke Pangkal apa, Pak?
Oh, 08. Oh, iya. Hati ya. Assalamualaikum bosku, bagaimana kabarnya? Admin mendoakan semoga sehat walafiat indahnya, amin. Kali ini admin akan mencoba trip report pendek bersama bus Palala E04. Bagaimana informasinya? Yuk kita lihat bosku. Yuk Ventura. Jadi di Terminal Bari Solo ini juga ada anak TikTok. Nih, ibu-ibu. Bang, berangkat dari mana tadi, Bang?
Payakumbu.
Payakumbu, Bukit Tinggi, Batu Sangkar.
Padang Panjang, Batu Sangkar.
Dari Payakumbu berapa penumpangnya, Bang?
Orang dapat dua.
Ada sekitar 10 orang ya.
Nah, dua orang lah.
10 orang ya. Sekarang kita udah berada di depan Terminal Bari Solo bypass. Ini akan langsung menuju Jakarta, bosku.
Hari lah.
Apa? Ini di batas kota ada pom bensin, ini berkemungkinan besar tidak ada bahan bakar solar. Bang, kalau bahan bakar solar ini gimana nih di start dari awal, Payakumbu?
Payakumbu lancar. Yang macet Jambi, Palembang itu.
Oh, Jambi sama Palembang ya? Berarti untuk di Sumbar masih lancar ya?
Lancar.
Amin ya, Bang. Sekarang kita udah memasuki perbatasan antara Kabupaten Solo dengan Kota Solo Sumbar. Yuh. Masuk kiri.
Makan dulu.
Semboro.
Berhenti dari kemarin di lokasinya ada yang
Ini apa?
Ya.
Oh ya, biminya. Pas kuis. ALS menuju Medan. Berangkat dari Jakarta. Tuh lah. Irkansa 39. Sekarang kita udah memasuki lintasan pacu Sumbar, bosku, yaitu di Batampamu, Sungalasi, Kabupaten Solo. Kita akan mencoba melihat apakah ada anak mania dan YouTuber di sini. Oh, ada. Nih. Ku mania. Hai, ku mania sejak kiwan baju Jawa.
Ada gitu.
Ôi đã cái gì nhỉ? Vị nhỏ to á. Dua unit bus Palala mengisi bahan bakar. Paskois NS menuju Jakarta. Netral. Al Salam. Simboro. Wow. Wow. Wow, no. Lansek money. Batavia 457.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of
Bus Sumbar pertama masuk Rana Minang, yaitu ANS yang bergelar Plong.
just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing.
Always.
You got a heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God, they all let me down.
Dia
I don't
soldat,
stop just to
lempar
wear the
now.
crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns. We're all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you